Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Celsius to Fahrenheit converter in Java. So basically you enter a temperature with a C or an F for Celsius and Fahrenheit, and this code just turns it into temperature immediately. So without further ado, let's get into the lesson. So here we will want to import something. Let's go to the line 3 here and do import java.util.asterisk here. Then put a semicolon at the end. And then in line 5 we put this. We move this to the I here. And we can start the code. We'll do scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in. Okay. Then we will do system dot out dot println, and then actually no, I forgot, we're not doing ln here, we'll just do print, and here we'll do enter temperature, then put C or F after it. Okay, and we'll put this here. Okay, now what we'll do next is do string input equals sc dot next line here, and then we'll do two upper case. This will just turn it into uppercase letters, whatever we type, and trim. Okay, we'll put that here, and we'll do try this. Okay, so what we'll want to do next is do double temp, and then we'll do equals, and then we'll do double dot parse double input. Wait, I forgot here. Okay, so this is what we'll do. We'll put here, and then we'll do dot length here. Actually, no, I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. I meant like to type substring instead. Wait. And then we'll type 0, comma, input dot length. And we'll put this here. Put a space. Do -1. And put a semicolon there. Okay. And then next part, we'll do char int unit. Sorry, I misspelled. Char unit equals input dot char at. And then here we'll do input dot length -1, and then put this here. Okay, now here we'll do if unit double equals C. Let me just put this here. Give me a moment. Okay. And then here we'll do, in line 14, we'll type, and let me just move this down. Okay, we'll do system. Let's just move this here. Okay, system dot out dot print f, and let's just delete this here. And then we'll do this. We'll put this here and type percent dot to fc, and then we'll do equals, and here we will type percent percent dot to f, and then uppercase f, and then backslash. Wait, let me find the backslash on the keyboard. Yeah, here. So then we'll do n, and then we'll put this here and type temp times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and put this to end it off. Okay. Let me just check the code for a second. Okay. Then here we will do, wait, okay. Now here we will type else if unit, and then we'll do, wait, let me move the unit here. Okay, unit double equals f here, and we'll put these here, this here, and this. Then we'll do system. Let's just copy this code here and paste it. We'll do system dot out dot print f, and then here we will do this instead. We will change this to C and change this to F, the opposite of what we did last time. And we'll do then temp. We'll change this up a bit here. So we'll delete this and put temp minus 32. And then we'll do times 5 divided by 9. Okay? Then we'll put this here. And then we'll do else system dot out dot print ln invalid unit. Let me just fix this. Okay. Please try another. Okay, then we'll put this here at the end. And then here, we'll put this. Then here we'll type catch. Let's move this back here. Okay. catch, exception, E. Then here we'll do system dot out dot println invalid input. Okay, then we'll put this at the end and we're good to go. So you select all of this, right click, run as one Java application, and we'll run it. Wait, there's an error in the code, let me check. Okay, I misspelled something here, so my bad about that, guys. So yeah, I'll fix this here and we'll rerun the code. We'll click back here and yeah, we'll type a temperature. Let's start with something basic so we can see. So let's type, for example, 0C. And it'll be like 0 Celsius equals 32 Fahrenheit. And let's type another one. Let's do 98.6 F, which will be 98.6 Fahrenheit, which equals 37 Celsius. Which is also like the body temperature, regular body temperature. Okay, let's type something else. So the answer here should be, wait, 100C. I think it was 212 degrees. Yeah, it should be 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's a cool one that like minus 40 is if you guys didn't know. So minus 40 degrees is like the only temperature where Celsius and Fahrenheit are both at minus 40. So let me show you. Minus 40C. And yeah, this is the only temperature which they share. Okay, let's do one more before ending this. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for today's lesson about the Celsius Fahrenheit converter. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. If you like this lesson, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends and family for more tutorials about coding and a bunch of other stuff. Thank you guys again for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.